Hello, my name is Mike Johnson. Take you on an inside and outside video tour of this 2014 low mileage, only 37,000 original miles, Prius dual fuel plug-in hybrid. These plug-in hybrids are really cool for about 5 different reasons, and I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible but still cover some of them. Reason number 1, they run on gasoline. You put gas in it and you drive it like a regular car, but the gas door is on the left side. The plug-in cable is on the right side. Now the car comes with a charging cord. You plug it in an outlet just like your cell phone at your house, and it charges for 3 hours, and that lets you drive the car for about 11 miles without using any gas, hybrid, or whatever, a full pure electric vehicle like a Tesla. And then after that plug-in charge is depleted, it uses the gasoline as a regular Prius. So 11 miles doesn't sound like much, but actually 11 times 365 days in a year is about 4,000 miles of pure electric driving. So if you drive 12,000 miles a year, that would equate to a rough estimate, you're paying 8,000 miles of gas at 50 miles per gallon, and the 4,000 miles is from your electric, so it'll cost you almost nothing. We're going to look under the hood. We're going to look at the tires. So that's great gas mileage, and because of that, it's getting windy here. Because of that, you can get up to $10,500 of the cost of buying the car paid by someone else in government assistance programs. I'm going to explain those government programs, but yep, $10,500 cash paid by somebody other than you. Look how clean it is, and there's no significant rust or corrosion in this car. Only 37,000 miles. And another government program is the Carpool Stickers that lets you drive all alone in the carpool lane. Now this car never had carpool stickers before, so it can get up to 4 full years of carpool stickers with no income restrictions. You can get carpool stickers for this car. We'll fill the form out, and I can assure you, you can get carpool stickers for this car. I'm going to show you a little video later on in this video. I'll explain why. But let's get to the rest of the car first. Let's look at the VIN number. This video was shot May 2020. The VIN number ends, the last 3 digits are 907. It is a 2014 Toyota Prius plug-in. Let's go look inside. So we're showing you the inside, and it's only got 37,136 original miles. I've seen these cars do 300,000 miles, and this one only has 36, so it can go 10 times more driving than what it has right now. Very low mileage. With the low mileage, the seats and upholstery are really clean. There's no cosmetic things to point out of imperfections. Looks good, nice and clean. You know, I showed you a few minutes ago, this has 4 brand new tires on it. We did put brand new tires. You had the original tires, but we put brand new ones, so that's not going to be an issue for you. No warning lights. Everything is working. It's very clean. Our Prius come with 2 sets of keys on all the cars, and then the key includes a master key with a remote start air conditioning system. So you can press the button on the remote and start the air conditioning from the outside. It has Bluetooth hands-free, so you can stream your music from your phone through the stereo. It has in-dash navigation built into the car, so you can navigate wherever you want to go. It's built right in the car, and it works with voice command for the navigation, so you can just press the voice button and say destination California, and then the wait, and it'll say the house number, street number, and city. So you say 123 Main, Los Angeles, or you can do points of interest. Everything works good on here. It's very nice, very clean. Hatchback. And that means you can push the little button here, fold the headrest, and then the seat folds flat. So you can make your trip to Home Depot and haul a 10-foot section of lumber or pipe. You can go to the office supply store and put furniture like a filing cabinet or desk in the back of the Prius. Has SUV size room. That's your charging cord. Plugs into the charging port. This is what charges it in only 3 hours of charging. You charge it when you get home. Let it charge overnight. Now, $10,500. I'm going to explain those programs. If you live in Southern California and you have electric power provided by Southern California Edison to your residential address that you use to register the car, they will give you $1,000 check as a cash rebate. Millions of people in Southern California are eligible who have Southern California Edison where they live. In the electric bill does not have to be in your name. It could be your landlord's paying the electric bill, could be your parents, your spouse, your partner, your kids, your grandparents. It doesn't matter. Your sister, your brother. But if you live in the location where they have a residential address with Southern California Edison and the car is registered to that address, Edison will match the address of the electric service to the registration, to the purchase contract. And if those are appropriate, it can be new or used. This is pre-owned, so this qualifies. You get $1,000 check. That's pretty easy to get. No other requirements, but you can Google search on the internet find Google. Most people have access to Google, and enter Edison Clean Vehicle Rebate Program, and it should come right up and tell you about the Edison EV rebate. Now that's $1,000, but you can get another $9,500 maybe if you can qualify for the Replace Your Ride program. The Replace Your Ride program requires that you have a trade-in vehicle. It could be a beat-up pickup truck like that one over there. It could be an old car like a 1981 Ford Escort. Those old cars are probably worth like $30. And in order for you to turn in that clunker for cash towards a purchase of an advanced technology vehicle like this Prius plug-in, they're willing to give you up to $9,500 regardless of the vehicle's trade-in value. So the vehicle could be worth $30, but they'll give you $9,500 for it. It could be worth $3,000. They'll still give you up to $9,500. Now, how do you know if you're going to get the $9,500? Go on the website replaceyourride.com and punch in your zip code and your address and your income based on your tax return. That program is for low to moderate income, and that's not your gross income. You make $100,000 a year, but your adjusted income is 50, and you have 6 dependents. You might qualify for the $9,500. So you can call us about the car, see if it's available, and we'll tell you more. But for the next program I'm going to talk about is the Carpool Stickers. Let's watch a short little video to learn how cars can or can't get the Carpool Stickers, and we'll wrap it up. So how do you know if a car can get the Carpool Stickers or is eligible to use the carpool lane? It's very simple. Actually, it's not. First, you need to go to the California Air Resources Board website and then search for Carpool Stickers and find the list of vehicles. This is the list right here, 2012 model year vehicles, for example. And then you look by make right here, and we see Toyota Prius plug-in hybrid, and the type of emissions that it has. Only the plug-in hybrid can do it, not the regular Prius. And under the hood of the vehicle is a label, and it will have this code number. I'll show you that in a minute. The Chevy Volts are really complicated because most of the Volts cannot get the Carpool sticker. But if you were looking, for example, at a Chevy Volt, the Chevys are Where's the Chevy? Right there. Volt is very complicated. Only the ones with this emissions code under the hood can get the carpool sticker. So this is the list of vehicles that can get the sticker, but there's also this blacklist. Now I've already punched in a VIN number for a car that cannot get the carpool sticker by using, on this 2,000 page spreadsheet, you go to edit, find, enter the VIN number or even a partial VIN number, and then next, and this is the blacklist. So the one car that I punched in, this VIN number ending in 215, that car already had green stickers, so it cannot get the stickers anymore. But let's go on, for example, my website right here. We're going to take a look at a car that can get the stickers that's promoted on my website. For example, there's a free Carfax report. Let's go down. I want to look at the 93,000 mile car, for example. Where's that car? Looking for it, looking for it. Free Carfax report. And then we select the VIN number right there. I use Control C to copy it. And then I open up my spreadsheet. Control V and enter. And now I'm searching, and it has searched the entire list. Adobe Acrobat Reader has finished searching the document. No matches were found. So the VIN number for the silver Prius that I just looked up is not on the blacklist. And so that's why it can be verified that it can get the newest carpool stickers from DMV. That's how it works. So thank you for watching my video. I'm wrapping it up. This is Mike Johnson. I'm going to show you my website right here. The website is mybestcar.com, and I have hundreds of these Prius flowing through our office annually. So if this car's not available, maybe I have another one just like it. mybestcar.com, and the company name is A Buyer's Choice. So if you go on my website, you look for this car. See if it has a price showing, then it should be available. If the price is taken down, then somebody's already reserved it in one of these government programs. Now, it's not instant cash. The Edison rebate, $1,000, could take 3 months to get after you purchase the car, and the Replace Your Ride program could take several weeks, up to a couple months before you're driving the car. But if you're a cash buyer, you can just come in and buy the car, no problem, and take your chances with those programs later if you want. Just for buying it for the carpool sticker alone and the great gas mileage is reason enough to buy this car. But if you can qualify for those $10,500 incentives, go for it. Thank you for watching.